Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Nazla Nurunisa with study registration number 632400518. Here I will presenting about aircraft of frequency. So before that, we need to know the definition about aircraft of frequency. Aircraft of frequency is a word or phrase that express how often an activity is done by someone. A word or phrase that we can find in aircraft of frequency is like always, sometimes, never, weekly, daily, every week, or something like that. So there is a little bit definition about aircraft of frequency. So basically, aircraft of frequency is divided into a two category based on time specification. The first is aircraft of definite frequency, and the second is aircraft of indefinite frequency. And I will explain about aircraft of definite frequency before. The correct use of aircraft of definite frequency is by paying attention to the frequency of an event or incident with a specific time. Uh, the word or past that include in aircraft of definite frequency is like hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, twice, once, and every week, every day, or something with a specific time. For example, sentence is like me and my family are go to zoo every week to see our favorite animals. The effort of definite frequency is every week. The second example is every 5 minutes his alarm is rang. The effort of definite frequency is every minute. Next is effort of indefinite frequency. Unlike effort of definite frequency, effort of indefinite frequency no need to know the specific time. We can only use present tense to determine the time information or how often an event occurs in effort of indefinite frequency. The first is 100%. Effort that into this category indicate an activity that always done every time without exception. It's like always, every time, and constantly. The second is 60% to 90%. Effort that into this category is activity that occurs frequently but not always done. It's like usually, often, normally, and frequently. And the third is 50%. Express that activity that only occur about 50% of the time. It's like seldom, sometimes, constantly, and infrequently. The fourth is 40% to 60%. Effort that can help you to convey activity that occur very often or even almost never. For example, is a seldom, rarely. The last is 0%. This effort is in this category indicate event that never happened at all. For example, is never and not once. Okay. Next is formula for effort of frequency. The first is for verb sentences. The formula is subject plus effort of frequency plus verb. The example sentences is like she always eats breakfast at 7 a.m. She as a subject, always is a effort of frequency, and eats as a verb. The second is for noun sentences. The formula is subject plus to be plus effort of frequency. The example sentence is he always on time. The last is for question sentences. The formula is subject plus modal verbs plus effort of frequency plus main verbs. The example sentences is do you often come here? So there is my presentation about effort of frequency. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.